Think about the last time you sat in a cinema, or you waited at an airport, or you just attended a lecture. You probably didn't think much about the chair you are sitting in. You just sat. But someone designed that chair, someone engineered it, someone built it. That someone is right here in China. I'm in Foshan today, the furniture capital of Asia. I'm heading to a factory that has been running for over 30 years. From classrooms to cinemas to stadiums, you have used their products without even realizing it. This is Hongji Seating. What started as a small workshop in 1993 is now a 120,000 square meter manufacturing system, from a small beginning to supplying global projects. If you visit Hongji, you'll see this beauty here, and I've heard that this masterpiece is belong to Hongji's boss. So this is the factory owner with me, Mr. Vincent. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Welcome to Hongji.
Thank you so much. Can you give us a quick overview?
We are one of the biggest furniture factory in China.
Wow, that's impressive.
We started in 1993 to manufacture sofas, and because of the response of the international buyers, we expanded to manufacture auditorium chairs and education chairs. In 2016, one of our biggest projects in India is Harvard Medical School. Their furniture were from Hongji. Do you know Shanghai Catalog Concert Hall is also from Hongji? And the Beijing Universal, of course, also from Hongji. Right now, Hongji is about 120,000 square meters.
Vincent, I can see a lot of global companies' logo on this wall. What is this about?
They are Hongji's customers.
Are they from Hongji?
Yes, of course.
Oh my goodness, guys, you can name any global company. They are from Hongji. Look at that. Midea, Huawei, Universal, TCL. You can name any company. They are from Hongji. What does the ISO actually mean for your daily life on the floor?
For Hongji, ISO is not just a certificate on the wall. It's the framework how we work every day.
I always say the factory that's clean on the outside usually has the best quality control inside. Check out those ISO certificates. For the buyers, they are the massive green flags. But here's something most people don't realize. This isn't just about cinema seating. A huge part of this business is education. So they are like just all the classroom stuff, right?
We have all kinds of furniture for the kindergartens, for the middle school, for the high school, and for the university. You can find almost everything here, from different age students, and for the office area, and for the auditorium chairs.
This factory got great innovation in desk. Let me show you. You can see the colors, you can see the designs, I think, which are great. But check the smoothness. Quite smooth. But the smoothness is not just the specialty of Hongji. Let me show you the specialty of Hongji, the convenience. You can put all the desks together and you can just move it without any energy. I think this is a great innovation by Hongji. From kindergarten classrooms to universities to large lecture halls, these products are used every single day for hours. And that changes everything about how they are built. I see a massive section of the classroom furniture. Is the education sector the big part of your global business now?
Yes, absolutely. Over the 30 years, we've worked with numerous schools and universities.
How do you choose the steel frame? The classroom seat frame is different from the cinema chair frame?
For classroom furniture, the steel frame will be more stronger and more durable because the students are very naughty and they use it very frequent. But for the cinema seat, we should customize according to the customer's requirements, and our focus is more on the comfort level.
They're doing great in cinema chairs part. Let me show you. The cinema chair, you can push it back and it would be more comfy, and the view to watch the movie is more comfortable. And about this arm, the coffee arm, you can also pull it back, which is more convenient. both sides, you can see, like this. So it's like more spacious and more comfortable. And you also can choose different designs, different texture, different colors, just customize anything. What do you need? Hongji will handle everything. Check out those layouts. They will not just make chairs for you. They will handle everything. They will customize all your requirements. You can see they have different layouts. You just need to give them idea. They will handle each and everything for you, which is quite professional. Let's go inside the factory. It starts with the structure, steel frames, because these chairs don't just hold weight. They handle constant use day after day. What's the difference between the form of the cinema chair and the classroom chair? Because I heard that the cinema chair is more softer, is it right?
Yes, the cinema chair's foam is more softer because when you watch a movie, it takes about 1 or 2 hours. We require the chair to be more comfortable. But for auditorium chairs, especially for the classrooms, normally the foam will be more high density and which is firmer. It provides a long time support and it can hold the shape longer.
Guys, if the foam density is low, it feels great today, but it goes flat in a year. In a classroom or cinema chair, you need high density support. High density foam is what keeps a chair performing for years. Then comes craftsmanship, upholstery, the stitching, the tension, the finish. This is my favorite part, quality check. So Vincent, how big is your QC team?
We have professional QC teams, international standard, high quality check machineries.
This is the most busiest guy here. He needs to check your each unit 100,000 times. So whenever you order the chairs from the Hongji, this dude will check your each unit, no matter you order one, no matter you order a whole container. So if there is any failure in each chair, in any chair, it won't leave Hongji. And where exactly do they step in during the production of the classroom sets?
We do full check on materials, appearance, and functions.
The best part of this desk is it's only single piece. You can see there's a curve, but it's only single one piece. That's the greatness of Hongji. And in terms of quality, whenever I touch this one, even I'm not a good student, guys, but right now, I want to learn something. I want to sit here and learn something.
Zia, you know, this desk is very strong and durable.
Really?
Yes, you can even stand or jump on it. You want to try?
I want to try. I want to become an undertaker.
Let's go.
Okay, guys, let me show you the quality of this desk. Okay, here we go. Are you sure, Alpha?
Yes, you can
Okay,
try.
let me try.
Don't be scared.
No problem. Okay. Okay, guys, I can tell you the balance is quite good and there is no voice like ji zha zhu. For school furniture, do you offer the scratch resistant or easy clean material?
Yes, it's a key requirement for the schools. We will use the HPL materials for the tabletop and the electrostatic powder coating for the steel frame. It can resist the scratches, stains, and marker pens, and it can be cleaned very easy.
From idea to delivery, everything is under one roof. How can our audience find you without a middleman?
Platforms like madeinchina.com makes it real. They give you verified suppliers, but the physical visit makes it real.
So you mean that our audience can find you through madeinchina.com?
Yes, absolutely.
That's perfect. Because real confidence comes from understanding what's behind the product. If you find help on the ground, reach out to us at Zia Sourcing. Subscribe for more because I'm the bridge between China and the world. See you in next video. Stay premium.